The LG 77-inch OLED B4 series Smart TV is a premium 2024 model that blends cutting-edge display technology. Click the link in the description below for latest price if you want to know how much it costs. With its massive 77-inch screen and OLED panel powered by self-lit pixels, this TV offers stunning contrast, vibrant colors, and true-to-life visuals that bring every scene to life. Over 8 million pixels work independently to deliver perfect blacks and infinite contrast, while 100% color volume and 100% color fidelity ensure accuracy in every hue and tone. At the heart of the OLED77B4PUA is LG's Alpha 8 AI processor 4K, designed to optimize content automatically. Whether you're watching movies, sports, or streaming TV shows, the processor adjusts the picture settings in real time for the best image quality. It even features AI Picture Pro for content-aware fine-tuning, and Multi-View lets you split your screen into 2 separate content streams. Perfect for multitasking or keeping up with multiple games and shows at once. Sound performance is equally impressive thanks to Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision. You're not just watching content, you're immersed in it. Filmmaker Mode ensures movies are shown exactly how directors intended, preserving original frame rates, colors, and aspect ratios. Combined with the TV's ultra-slim design and minimalist flat screen, it adds elegance to any living space while delivering cinema-quality entertainment. The LG B4 runs on webOS 24, making content access seamless. You get fast browsing through all your favorite streaming apps plus access to over 300 free LG channels across a wide variety of genres including sports, cooking, fitness, and more. The included Magic Remote provides intuitive control, complete with built-in Alexa and voice recognition for quick commands and hands-free convenience. This model is also packed with next-gen features, including NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync Premium, and VRR. With a native 120Hz refresh rate and ultra-fast 0.1 milliseconds response time, motion stays crisp whether you're watching fast-paced action or using connected devices through the 4 HDMI 2.1 ports. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet connectivity round out the package for versatile device pairing and streaming. With LG's webOS Renew program, your smart TV stays current with software updates and new features for the next 5 years, ensuring long-term value. Whether you're upgrading your home theater setup or just want a smarter way to stream, the LG B4 delivers where it matters. Click the link in the description below for latest price if you want to know how much it costs.